Today we will learn first experiment of digital electronics and microprocessor, which is verification of truth table of logic gates. How many gates are there? We have already studied in the lecture, that is NOT, AND, OR, NOR, NAND, XOR, and correspondingly in this table you will find that their number has been written. 7404 is for the NOT, 7408 for the AND, 7432 is for the OR, 7402 is for the NOR, 7400 is for the NAND, 7486 is for the XOR. So IC stands for integrated circuit. So this IC comprises of 4 pins or contains 4 pins, which is numbered as 1 to 7 towards one side and 8 to 14 towards one side. This IC is also known as DIP, dual in line package. Dual in line package means pins are equally distributed towards both sides, 7 towards this side, 7 towards this side. There is a one notch which indicates that this is in a pin number 1 and this one is in a maximum pin number, that is 14. So there is a 14 number pin, 14 pin numbers are there. So we will take an example of AND gate. Its IC number is 7408. Here you will find that quad 2 input AND gate, quad 2 input NAND gate. Quad stands for it comprises of 4 AND gates. So here you will find that 1, 2, 3, 4 AND gates are there. Now there is a 1 and 2 input is applied at this terminal, 1 and 2, and output is taken across 3. Similarly for this one, 5 and 6. 6 is used for the output, 4 and 5 is used for the input, and here 8 is used for the output, 9 and 10 is used for the input, 11 is used for the output, 12 and 13 is for the output input. Here pin number 7 is kept reserved for the ground and pin number 14 is kept reserved for the VCC or plus 5 volt supply. For the NOR gate, so here input has been applied over terminal 2 and 3, output is taken across 1. Identical to this, it also contains 4 NOR gates. So pin number 5 and 6, at pin number 5 and 6 input is applied, output is taken across terminal number 4. At pin number 8 and 9 input is applied, output is taken across terminal number 10. And here terminal number 13, here we take the output, and 11 and 12 is used for the input. Similar to 7408 AND gate, it is also 7 number is kept reserved for the ground and 14th number is for the VCC. So we have to verify the truth table. AB is the input, output is Y is equals to AB. 0, 0 is the input, 0 is the output, 0, 1 is it means 0 into 0, that is 0, 0 into 1, that is 0, 1 into 0, that is 0, 1 into 1, that is 1. So you will find this table. We will verify by using this ICs. So there is a NOR gate, its output is Y is equals to A plus B bar, 0 plus 0 bar, 1, 0 plus 1 bar, this is 0, 1 plus 0 bar, this is 0, 1 plus 1 bar, this is 0. So this is the verification of the NOR gate which we will perform by using the IC 7402. So here we can conclude that output is high if both the inputs are low. Output is high if both the inputs are low. Otherwise it is low. So similarly to this one, we can also perform verify the truth table of any one IC 7404, 7408, 7432, 7402, 7400, 7486. Its pattern will be same as it has been displayed on the board. Now we will carry the rest of the things on the digital breadboard. Dear students, this is the digital breadboard which comprises the inbuilt supply voltage, DC supply. This is the DC supply. So here it is used as an input. So these are the terminals used for the input, and this is the terminal which display the output. If output is high, this corresponding LED will glow. If it is low, it will not glow. This is the IC of NOR gate, that is 7402, which we have applied. So here you can see the IC. There is a different number of ICs. I have told you that 7408 for the AND gate. This is a 7432 for the OR gate. So here you will check that there is any 14 pins, 7 towards this side, 7 towards this side. That's why it is said to be dual inline package. And towards this one, you will find that this is a pin number 1. There is a notch has been clearly displayed. So we have to verify the truth table of the NOR gate. Here output has been taken across the terminal number 1. You can see that this is this wire. This one is connected across this. As I told you that this is used for the output. Input is applied for the terminal number 2 and 3. This is for the input. Here you can check that at terminal number 2 and 3 that is applied for the input. So here we have to check that how it is being verified. I'm going to on the power supply. So input has been applied at the terminal number E and F. You can check E and F. It may be applied at B, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Anywhere you can apply. This is a digital breadboard. So first one is, as I have already explained it to you on the board, if both are low, means low towards this side, high towards right side, low towards left side. So if both are low, you can see that both are low. Here LED output is taken across the terminal number D. It is being illuminated. Now next one is any one of the input is low and other is high. Let us say E is low, F is high. So you will feel that you will see that LED is not being illuminated. Now we will do the reverse of it. F is low, E is high. Again further it is not being illuminated. Now if both are high, it is not being illuminated. So if both are low, so you will see that this LED is being illuminated. So what we have concluded, if both the inputs are 0, I repeat, both the inputs are 0, then output is high, So this has been displayed here, output is high by using the illumination of the LED. So this is all about the NOR gate. Similarly, we can perform it for the other ICs. So I believe the concept has been well understood to everyone. So if for any sort of query, feel free to call or message me on my number. Thank you dear students.